Hi everyone, my name is Sekou Becton. Glad to be in our second field class. And I'm working in my field placement in a family-based services department in a local human service agency serving children and their families in the Philadelphia area. What I enjoy most about the field experience is working under a MSW um, LSW who has the experience that I'm looking forward to achieving, and just getting the critical feedback and advice from someone who's been in the field for quite a while. My greatest challenge so far has been time management and struggling to meet deadlines and to get everything done and done right now. Um, what I've learned in my field experience is to try to consider each person as an individual and take out time to be a learner and a listener. Um, and I've learned that a great deal can be accomplished when the social worker takes time to see each individual as their own unique person with unique strengths, needs, and abilities. And that goes a long way in allowing them to feel safe communicating with their therapist and making that necessary connection to find the path to progress that they're looking for. But overall, I'm looking forward to this class and continuing my field placement, and it should be a great experience working with everyone. Thank you.